Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into life's most intriguing questions and philosophies. Today, we're embarking on a journey to uncover the essence of true wealth. We'll explore a perspective that transcends the material and resonates deeply with the human spirit. So sit back, relax, and open your mind to the wisdom that awaits. In today's fast-paced and materialistic world, the concept of wealth is often reduced to mere financial abundance and material possessions. However, hidden within the teachings of a certain renowned philosopher lies a profound perspective that challenges this conventional notion. Delving into the philosophy of embracing non-attachment and relinquishing our attachment to materialistic desires, this video aims to explore the wisdom of letting go as a pathway to experiencing true wealth and inner fulfillment. The illusion of accumulation. As modern society places an immense emphasis on material acquisition, it's easy to become ensnared in the illusion that accumulation leads to happiness. This illusion perpetuates the idea that the more we have, the happier and more successful we'll become. However, the philosopher's teachings invite us to question this assumption and contemplate the deeper dimensions of wealth, the nature of attachment. Attachment, according to this philosopher's teachings, refers not only to our physical possessions, but also to our emotional and psychological connections. The attachment to things, relationships, and even ideas can create a sense of dependency and unease. By relying on external factors for our happiness, we inadvertently relinquish control over our own well-being. The burden of possession. In our pursuit of possessions, we often overlook the emotional burden that ownership can bring. This burden manifests as stress, anxiety, and even fear of loss. The philosopher's insights encourage us to examine whether the accumulation of possessions is truly enriching our lives, or if it's in fact adding to our mental and emotional load. The freedom in letting go. True wealth, as expounded by this philosopher, lies not in amassing more, but in liberating ourselves from the chains of attachment. Letting go grants us the freedom to appreciate life's impermanence and embrace change with an open heart. By releasing our grasp on what we cannot control, we create space for growth, learning, and the discovery of genuine contentment, living in the present. The teachings advocate for the practice of mindfulness, the art of being fully present in the moment. When we let go of our preoccupations with past regrets and future anxieties, we unlock the ability to savor each instant as it unfolds. This state of mindfulness leads to a profound sense of richness, enabling us to experience life's nuances that we might otherwise overlook. Cultivating inner fulfillment. By redirecting our focus from external accumulation to internal enrichment, we embark on a journey towards true inner fulfillment. The philosopher's wisdom encourages us to invest in self-discovery, self-awareness, and the nurturing of meaningful relationships. These endeavors, in turn, contribute to a sense of well-rounded abundance that transcends the shallow notion of wealth defined by possessions. Harmony with nature. The philosophy of letting go is intertwined with the idea of aligning ourselves with the natural flow of existence. The pursuit of excessive wealth often leads to environmental degradation and the exploitation of resources. Embracing the wisdom of letting go fosters an attitude of sustainable living, allowing us to preserve the planet's resources for future generations. Conclusion. In a world fixated on the accumulation of possessions and the pursuit of material wealth, the teachings of this philosopher offer a refreshing perspective on true affluence. By letting go of our attachments, both physical and emotional, we open ourselves to the wealth of inner contentment, mindfulness, and harmony with the world around us. As we contemplate the profound wisdom embedded in this philosophy, we are reminded that the path to true wealth begins with the courage to release, allowing us to uncover the richness that resides within and all around us. If you found this video insightful, Don't forget to like and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, may your path be filled with clarity, contentment, and the true wealth that comes from letting go.